Hey, welcome to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to go over how to earn free stocks with trading apps Webull and Robinhood. For those of you who may not know, both companies offer some interesting incentives for signing up. I'm also going to show a trick on how to get a few extra stocks, and in my case, twice as many. Timestamps for the video will be on the screen and in the description, as well as a link to sign up for both Webull and Robinhood. Make sure you hit the like button to help me out and subscribe if you would like more content like this. All right, let's do this. First up, let's start with the app with the best sign-up incentives, Webull. Webull has an interesting program that they tend to run on monthly terms. So far, there have been pretty minor changes when they do make adjustments to their incentive program. The current program guarantees you a free stock for sign-up value at $2.50 through all the way up to $250, and then a second free stock from $12 to $1,400 if you deposit any money at all. I have seen this be a minimum of $100 deposit. There's been a few different variations. Safe to say, if you are doing this before March 31st, you will have the same program that we currently being offered. If it is after March 31st of 2020, I'd make sure that you double check this before signing up. These terms also go over the restrictions and how fast you can complete these things in order to get your free stock, and how long you need to hold your stock before you can sell it. The thing to note here is by doing this process with Webull, you are guaranteed with the current plan to at least get $14.50 with a chance of getting as high as $1,650. If any of you hit it big, you better comment and let me know what stock you receive in the comment section. So how do you sign up? Well, first, if you want to help me out, you can press the link in the description to use my promo code. It'd be greatly appreciated. And all you have to do is either on a computer or on your phone, enter your email address and your password. If you do this on mobile, you're going to want to do this, then download the app on your phone, sign up using those same login credentials you used. A little disclosure here, when you're going through the sign up process, it's going to ask you several very personal questions, including your social security number. This is standard practice for any of these stockbrokers. If you're going to work with your own broker, with one of the bigger firms, or if you're going to work with some of the other free trading apps online, they're all going to require your social security number, as well as your income, your investment experience, all that. So once you've completed the sign up process, you need to wait until your account is approved. I signed up late one night and woke up with my account being approved the next day. After I got approved, I initiated a deposit by directly linking my bank account to this app. That was to get that second free stock at the higher minimum amount. This process took a few days. They won't give you that free stock until you've completely cleared that process. But after it did clear, here is the free stock that I received. So you can stop right here, get your free stocks. You can either keep them and hold them, or you can sell them. Or what I would recommend you do is, especially if you're trying to just make a few extra bucks, try to get a few other people to sign up using your link. They are going to get free stocks, and you'll get some free stocks as well. I found that it was pretty easy to get at least a couple of my friends, some family members, to sign up using my link. If you remember at the beginning of the video in the intro, I mentioned I had a little trick to get double the free stocks. I will be going over this after I go through Robinhood. The trick does apply for both apps and really any trading platform that offers any sort of incentive for sign up. So I'm going to go over that after Robinhood. So let's jump right into Robinhood. Robinhood is a really easy app to use. I highly recommend it for a beginning investor. It doesn't have all the bells and whistles for some of the other brokerages, but a lot of the things that are missing on Robinhood you can find for free online using especially like some of the more detailed research that you might be interested in doing. A lot of that's available using other resources that you don't have to sign up for anything to even do. There are some things that aren't available here, but anyways, that's a different video. Let's get into the offer that they have, which is one free stock for signing up. It's only one. It's a little less lucrative than the Webull sign up, but you still have a chance. As you can see, as it's flipping through some of these options, you have a chance of getting some pretty decent stocks. But once you sign up, you'll have that free stock. Here is an example of one of the free stocks that I received in Robinhood. So you sign up, you'll get a free stock by using my link. I'll get a free stock. And here you go, how to invite friends. Explains, and I can show you right now on my phone. Tap the account, the little person icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the invite friends, get free stock card. Tap invite contacts, type invite next to the friends you want to refer, and boom, you're done. If you get super ambitious and you would like to invite your friends to get some free stock, there is a $500 cap for Robinhood for the year. Webull's cap currently, which again, they change their plan a little bit more often, but right now it's 200 free stock every single month. All right, if you've stayed this far, now I will be explaining my little trick that I did, and it's really not much of a trick, but it's just something that most people who are trading don't really know. It applies only to people who are married, so sorry if you aren't married, but if you are married, when you sign up for a brokerage account, you can sign up as an individual, a retirement account, or a joint account. The trick is sign up as an individual, you get the free stocks, and if you share all of the same banking information with your spouse, all you need to do, send a link to your spouse, have them sign up, and they will get the same offers, you'll get the offers, you end up with a lot more free stock. So if you're able to utilize this trick, make sure you hit like, because I think I deserve that one. I know for a lot of people, I bet they haven't thought of that. So before you go off, start thinking you're gonna make a ton of money getting free stocks on Webull and Robinhood. One, more than likely, most people that are watching this video don't have a huge network that they're able to get this to for tons of people to be able to sign up. But an important thing, in case you do get a big stock, let's say you hit it huge with Webull and get that $1,400 stock, that will be taxed as income. Now, if you sell it for more or less, you can take a gain or a loss just like you would a normal stock. Whatever that stock is valued at is going to be treated as ordinary income. You will receive a 1099 from the brokerage account. So just keep that in mind, especially if you do end up referring this to a few people, get a few $100, something to just be wary of. Also, if you're just going to buy and hold the stock, just know that, like, for instance, even if you don't get a lot of people sign up, you get a $1,400 stock and you just buy and hold it, you will get taxed on that original $1,400 stock, even if you haven't bought or sold it. The second thing is these apps all state that they can end these programs or change the programs at any time without any notice. So make sure that you check the current terms of whatever they're offering. They may have changed them slightly. Originally, when I was really looking at Webull, they had a minimum deposit of $100 in order to get that second free stock. Now it's any amount. And the third thing is just to know that this is probably not going to make anybody rich, but it is a guaranteed way to get a few stocks for free. And who doesn't like free money? There's very few things in the world that are actually free. I know that if I'm able to grow my Webull account with getting some referrals, I plan on maybe selling the stocks that I receive, but trying to grow that account. I already have a good chunk of Robinhood stock, but that is for another video. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure again that you like the video, subscribe for more videos like this. Also, I am really curious to see what stocks you get in the comments. So if you sign up and get some free stock, make sure you let me know below. Also, feel free to ask any questions you might have about really anything. I'm going to be checking them all. So thanks again for watching the video. That's all for me, though. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace.